Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to find length of a string or a list in Python. So first we are going to find out the length of a list. So I am going with this variable which is 1 2 3 4 5 and I am going to use the function. This is the function. Okay, so this is the function to find out the length of a list. Okay, and in the second step we are going to find out the list of a string, which is the variable name is variable2 and the list is and the string is Rehan Sajid, and I am going to find out the length of this string. So here is the variable print length variable2 with the variable name. So just click on run. So the first output show that this list contain 1 2 3 4 elements, and the second output show that this string contain 10 alphabets. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.